Okay, looks like we are live. Welcome to the show. This is the video, so thanks to everybody that's watched the AI music video that I made on the channel. To the song "I Can Be Happy." It was not an AI created song. It is actually my song. I created it live on the other channel. You can actually watch me create the entire song live. But in the meantime, we are attempting to find the best process for creating AI videos and whatnot. And am I coming out of the speaker here or so yeah. So we are creating a book trailer for my book. Something is not wrong with you. You can find it on the Amazons and whatnot. And so we're gonna create a book trailer. We started this process using if you want to know about the process that I'm using in ChatGPT, let me go ahead and scroll over to that. If you want to watch the video, go watch the video. It's on this channel. Um, the music video. Okay, over here. So we have created a outline and a shot list of all of the shots that we want for the uh, video. Excuse me, the book trailer, and using a formula inside of this chat bot. And if you want to get access to this chat bot, it's not mine, but you can get it by joining the $5 group in school, the $5 school group for AI video. And that link is also in the description. Okay, enough plugging things. Besides, we're going to kind of do this differently. We kind of like we hit a wall. We hit a wall trying to create videos in WAN, and we ran out of credits, to be honest. So hopefully today we won't run out of credits, and let's give this a shot using the tool that I actually used to create the beginning, what became the music video. And we use that in openart. So if you want to try openart, make sure you use the link in the description. That does go to help this channel at no extra cost to you. But let me show you where we are here. So we can create like instant music videos, instant explainer videos, ASMR, all those kinds of things. So this character vlog is what I want to do. And what I should have done before going live, what I should have done is perhaps create the audio for this using 11 Labs. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and show you the power of this, and then we'll go back to the 11 Labs bit, which I was not prepared for. And I kind of forgot that I need to create the voiceover for this, and I'm not going to do the voiceover. So um, we're gonna do the AI voiceover. So anybody can do this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna modify the Chat GPT chat. So I had like literally every shot here. But to make it easier, since we have OpenArt and it can create a storyboard for us, we're gonna have it do that. So and can you, in addition, comma, I'm creating a storyboard from another chat based editor. Can you plainly write all of the shots I need, and each time you mention, uh, let's see, what did he call the man? Oh, the protagonist or comma man, replace it with, let's see here. In OpenArt, we have a character. So we've created this character. So while you were away, I uploaded over here in the character section some photos that I had are generated in the previous stream of my character. So it's RD guy. So we're going to replace it with RD guy. So that is the character to replace with at RD guy. Right? And let's see if it understands what I'm saying. Okay. All right. Let's see. What do we need to add? Okay, so these are the shots, and the only thing we want to add is maybe uh the style. So, but anyway, I'm gonna literally copy and paste this and see how it does. So, all right, so we have this story thing inside of OpenArt, which makes it really easy. And instead of doing a music video, I'm going to do a character vlog. I'm going to paste this into the description. So I'm going to pick my RD guy character, right? And then in here, it allows me to type in stuff here. So we're going to put, here's a storyboard shot list, the loop. Okay, right? And so this is all the shots. Please generate. Um, okay. I wonder why it didn't copy the 1, 2, 3s and whatnot. It did not copy these numbers here. That's interesting. Okay, so we'll add those numbers. I'm not sure if it's smart enough. I mean, it's smart, but see here. Maybe we'll do this. Let's do this. 1, 2. Oops. 3. I'm really curious how it handles this. 4. So I'm gonna leave it like, I don't want it to be confused by like any extra information. Oh, if you're here, say hi. I'm super live right now. All right, 6. I need to paste this. Mm, where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? All right. Eight. Like the time. No, I guess after 9 comes 10. Wow, that's powerful programming we just saw there. Okay, excuse me. 12, 13, 14. Let's delete this. You know, maybe I should not allow changes. And to save credits, instead of just like rendering the video from here, uh, um, I don't know about this. Okay. And then we'll do preview storyboard, but let's make sure we have no background music. What else do we need? We're going to do this, the character image model. We're going to do 1080. We're going to do clean 2.1. That's fine. Fine, excuse me. And we're going to hit preview storyboard. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Make sure this is working. Okay. Yeah. So that is the wrong thumbnail, but hey. Mm, sure. We'll just go with it. It's too late. We're already live. Okay. So this will create like a bunch of images, hopefully of the correct character. Yeah, that's him. Um, and wow, they look oddly similar to the ones we were creating the other day in WAN. I forgot to add the Fight Club aesthetic. It seemed to do pretty good. So we could, for 1,000 credits, generate the full story. This is still the wrong clock. Glowing red, digital numbers. Okay, so we'll just rerun this, right? Try. Hmm. This is amazing. I don't think this is long enough, right? So this is 5 seconds each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 images. So that's 30 seconds. So we need twice as many. So this is where I think using these tools separately but together is a thing. Let's see, because it should have generated more shots. It's only 10. Maybe it's still going. I don't know. So is this the last front court entry photo? What? All right. Let's see what we have here. Yeah. So we only got 10 slides, right? We need 15 according to this. Really 14. Mm. So I think we have this one, right? Storm cloud. We might be able to like animate like from last frames to get the rest of it. How are we doing here? Volume wise, I feel like this is just all to be a little bit too quiet. All right, there we go. All right, how's it going? We have 0 viewers. Setting up a new camera for a podcast. Okay, good for you. All right. me look at these again. Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna go through these shot by shot and see what we're missing. I guess I don't know. It's interesting looking. Alarm. So we just animate all of these. It's just so easy to push the button to animate. The only problem is maybe there's one that's like cheaper. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. These are all 1,000. Why is it the same? I don't know. Well, let's just generate these and then I can fill in the gaps, I guess, as we put the story together. And I need to get the narration too as well. Um, we have 1,000 credits. In fact, we're on what plan are we on? We're on this advanced plan. I'm feeling like we're gonna have to upgrade. And there's a code you can use if you want. I forgot what it was. I think it's banana 20 or something like that to get a couple of dollars off. And then this is even better if you get the annual plan. But it looks like to make more than one of these videos per month, you're going to want to get a higher plan because I've used most of my 12,000 credits just playing around in here. Let's see here. So let's do this. Hopefully have something. And we're going to get nerdy and 11 labs. Start making the rest of this. Nerdy and 11 labs. How is this microphone? Is it picking up? Well, good. All right. I have to create 11 labs. 11. Gosh, it's so hard to talk. 11 labs account. Okay, log in. The most realistic AI voice platform. Yes, that is true. I'm just curious if I have an account already. 11 labs. 11. All right, so I guess we have to create an account, all the stuff, right? Continue. Fancy. Dark. What's your name? What's your birth date? That is just too much information required. Okay. Interesting. May. Next. Please provide your name. Okay. How do you know? YouTube. Okay, can I skip all this? Mm. All right, $11 a month. That's only 1 month is 50% off. We're gonna skip, I guess. Explore all plans. There we go. Here I'm shopping. Oh, let's see what this video looks like. Eh? Probably not much going on. Oh, look at that. The clock totally glitched out. Oh, this is all of it. That's funny. Oh, wow. All right. So intense. This might work. Okay. A lot of this is usable. Some of this is not. Interesting. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay. Let's add this was weird. So if I retry the video, it's 200 credits. Generate all videos. Oh, did that use 2000? I used 1000 last time. Why does it want to do 2000 this time? That's so weird. All right. See, this is why I really want to recommend openart because it just does do everything. But like, if you don't have a budget, well, or you're not on a good plan, you can run through credits pretty fast. So, which is why you would want to be on this infinite plan. Getting it, I think this would be a really good deal. 24,000 credits, but I would just burn 2,000 credits to do a story. And um, I don't know. I understand why the story would be twice as much the second time. It's a little weird, but maybe it's because of the model. Let's see here. Standard. Yeah, it's the model. Okay. Okay. Is there a model that's less now? Mm-hmm. Same. Fix first. More. Okay. Standard. All right, we're losing light in here. Let me charge my light back up. I think this one's. Hopefully this is charged enough to stay on. It's getting dark in here. Let me check the um, chat. Like, this is way faster. If I only had 10 frames, this would be the way to do it, I think. But also, I could take you could do this just as fast. You could take all 10 of these images that just generated and then dump them into, I guess, this one. I don't know. Can I save, like, star these images so that I can use them? What is this? Oh, we can add more slides. Okay, cool. That's good. Okay, so we can add more slides where they're missing, so we don't have to go out of this yet. Okay. All right, real quick. All right, if you're here, feel free to say hi. I'm here. You're here. We're all here, and we are working on the 11 Labs subscription here. What am I missing? You just don't get the high quality if you don't select the creator. So you kind of have to select the creator. We're going to do monthly. Okay. Confirm it's you. Okay, I guess. Gosh, that's so creepy. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Address here. Gosh. All right. Subscribe, I guess. All right. Now we have 11 labs. Also, hmm, um, I just realized I could have generated 10 minutes of content on the free tier. Okay. Anyway, we're paid now. All right. All right. I'm going to drag this down here so you can see what's going on. And I'll check the chat again. Okay. So we have basically a script from here. Okay. All right. Can you give me the narration again? Okay, I lost it. It's like so far back. Okay, ever feel like you're trapped in the same effing loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward, but you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. But you tell yourself just to be yourself. All right, this is great. That's pretty fast. Is this long enough? 10 seconds, 10 to 35. Okay. Cinematic trailer cadence. Okay, so what we're gonna do is try to let's see, where did that we'll just put it here. All right, 11 labs. All right, we should be logged in. Okay. And this is new to me, so just give me a second. But I think I can just type all this in. So we just need to text to speech. We need to find a good deceptively gravelly. Ooh.
Life without love is like a tree.
Okay, let me
Life without love.
let me get this in my ears. It's going out the wrong place. Hold on a second.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing.
Okay, so let's do trailer.
Bereit für das Außergewöhnliche.
Okay.
In a world of rando voices, there was one voice that rose above the noise.
Okay, no.
Die Stimme der Zukunft.
In einer Welt, in der
These are not great.
A lâmina da aurora.
Why are they all? Well, I know why, but
In a world where AI voices sound like robots, one man makes it sound.
so we need to do like epic trailer. Let's do that. Epic trailer.
A lâmina da aurora.
Die Stimme der Zukunft.
Okay, can we like vote these down? Jesus.
in einer Welt, in der
In a world.
Communication is the bridge that this voice doesn't just have bass.
Dinosaurs move their massive.
Espartanos, hoy el destino del mundo.
Die Dunkelheit.
I mean, the problem, right, is anybody can make one of these.
A sua luz era tão forte que até mesmo.
Jouw verhaal verdient een.
11 Labs Logiker lassen locker. With over 500 stories told, I've
There you
carried
go.
listeners through ruin, hope, and the unknown. When the world breaks, I speak. Those who listen prevail.
With over 5 million stories.
The void speaks through me, boy.
and it's rather disappointed in your browser history. Ha! Mortals never learn.
So I think maybe something between Titan and Maverick.
With over 500 stories told, I've carried listeners through ruin.
Are there more? There we go. No, that's it.
With over 5 million stories told, my voice has become a
How do you vote this down? All right.
With over 500 stories told, I've carried listeners.
All right. Let's see. Let's type in, I guess, I mean, this is too over the
The
top.
void speaks through me, boy, and it's rather disappointed in your browser history. Ha! Mortals never learn.
Okay. Let's look at the transcript again. Hold on. I feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop. I don't know. That might be fun to have this one. Add to my voices. Oh, we can just add them. And then hold on, go back. Wait. Where'd it go? All right, we're done. All right, so let's just paste that script in here and see what it sounds like. Oh, here we go. I like this, right? All right, so we're gonna hit paste. We're gonna delete this bit. I'm staring at the ceiling. Okay, let's just generate it and see what this sounds like. 2 times rate for this voice. Okay, sure, whatever. And we'll just slow it down.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward. But you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself. But deep down, you hate the self you've been repeating. Approval chasing, old habits, the same self-sabotage. Whispers in your head, something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the wrong script. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is something is not wrong with you. Read it before the loop wins.
Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. So that is 53 seconds. So we can slow it down just a tad. We will make it more variable. I mean, that's great. Can I download this? Will it keep like a record of, okay. We're just gonna put it in documents. You know what? Let's make a movie. And something's wrong with you, video 1. And we're gonna save it in here. And let's do like more exaggerated, higher similarity, but more variation and more exaggerated. Over 50% might lead to, okay, less stability. All right, let's just give it another shot and generate again. Regenerate speech. So how many credits did I use? That's what I want to know. I created a minute of video of audio.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward. But you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself. But deep down, you hate the self you've been repeating. Approval chasing, old habits, the same self-sabotage. Whispers in your head, something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the wrong script. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is something is not wrong with you. Read it before the loop wins.
Jouw verhaal verdient
11 Labs with over 500 stories.
All right, we're gonna add this one. Okay, and Eiffel we didn't see before. Where did you go? I don't know how to use this platform. Hold on, that's crazy. I don't like. What is happening? What did I just do? Text to speech. Settings.
I must not fear.
Hello, I'm.
Hey, everybody. This is Juniper. I think I would be a great choice for your podcast. I'm pretty laid back and pretty casual. Give me a try.
Hey, I'm Victor, and I'm a great voice to use for any explainer video you're thinking of.
Difficulties increase the nearer we get to the goal.
What?
Difficulties increase the nearer we get to the goal.
Work while you have the light. You are responsible for the talent.
I threw up for an hour after.
Yo, the name is Tyre.
I threw up for an hour after. But I did it. And Paulie kissed me on the cheek like I was his own son. Said, "You did good, kid. You're in now."
Did you listen to me, soldier? You think you have what it takes?
Let me tell you what my...
Hi, I'm Sam.
Hey guys, here's just a more casual, kind of relaxed version of my voice, and I think it's great for conversational AI.
Les étoiles que nous voyons briller sont souvent...
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Okay. All right. So let's use. All right. All saved voices. All right. So we have these. Can I combine them somehow? I think I can.
The void speaks through.
This is hilarious. Okay, we're gonna do it again. All right. Creative. Robust. What is the difference? All right, we're gonna generate one more time with this. All right.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll.
Why is it doing two? Okay, and we need some good trailer music. We need some like Fight Club. Inspired trailer music. Auto duration 1 minute. Instrumental. Yes, instrumental. Generate. Okay, cool. How come you cannot see what I'm doing? Or can you? It's just I'm like behind on my own video here. Yeah. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, well, that is pretty amazing. But really, what we need a little more like pulsing or something. Edits. Should be a second. Here's a second generation. There we go. There's some pulsing. Yeah. Great. Okay, so let's see if we can get it to edit this first version. Continue the conversation. Okay, add some more, add some pulsing to the intro and rising tension. Pulsing throughout. Pulsing. Add more pulsing. Add more pulsing. Throughout to keep the listener engaged. All right, that's right. Is that it? Okay, so between these two, I think that's. Oh wait, what did it do here? I'm gonna have to cut the intro altogether. Okay, I need sound effects then. I need sound effects. Okay, the climax is actually too intense. And I need some pulsing in the intro. There we go. I really like the second one. All right, we're going to download this one. And it is burning. 2 credits. Okay. Let's see if this is better. There's nothing going. So, okay. right, so we're gonna get the original first version, and we're gonna get newer one. What is advanced? I just saw that to do like stems. Oh, okay. All right. Moving along. Now we have that, and we have the voiceover. I'm gonna start putting these together inside of DaVinci Resolve. Also, it is almost dinner time, so there's that. We'll see how far we can get. I might have to let the cats in here. It's getting hot in the closet. Update available. Right. Space for it. That's the question. All right, we can skip the update for now. Let's see here. We have let's create a new session for this. Something is wrong with you book trailer. Zzz. Okay. Actually, I had the idea to create like 3 of these, and hopefully it'll be faster once we get this workflow down. Just want to make sure we have every shot. So according to this, there's shots missing. So we can just figure that out as we go. All right. Let's get sound effects. Well, we'll do sound effects maybe as we build out the timeline. Yeah. So start building out the timeline. So we're gonna do I do actually need to do this in vertical. So we're gonna do a vertical save. There we go. We don't need this preview. So figure out how to get rid of this. There. Okay. And we're gonna just drop the some video and some audio. So we have video here. One of these is the voiceover Maverick, this one. And we generated a few voiceovers. So let's go find the one that sounds the best. Make sure we have that one. So like a history from the library. So like a history of what I've created, huh? Okay. How do I press play? Hmm. So where is it? Hmm. Okay. Text to speech. Did I have to click this? I'm so confused. Where are my talk to L? Okay. Where are I don't need to talk. Where's the stuff that I made? Just have no idea. This is the one I made. So where do I download it? I don't need to burn all of my credits. History. Here we go. Here we go.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward, but you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself, but deep down, you hate the self you've been repeating. Approval chasing, old habits, the same self-sabotage, whispers in your head, something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the wrong script. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is Something Is Not Wrong With You. Read it before the loop wins.
Yeah.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward, but you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself, but deep down you hate the self
I'm
you've
gonna have to
been
do this
repeating.
again.
Approval chasing, old habits, the same self-sabotage, whispers in your head, something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the wrong script. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is Something Is Not Wrong With You. Read it before the loop wins.
How long is it? Okay, I'm gonna download this. This one was good, yeah. And let's play this one.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward, but you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself, but deep down, you hate the self you've been repeating. Approval chasing, old habits, the same self-sabotage, whispers in your head, something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the wrong script. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is Something Is Not Wrong With You. Read it before the loop wins.
I think I like this one better than the one I just downloaded.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop?
I don't know.
Wake up, scroll, numb out.
This has more
Ever
energy.
feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves
This
forward.
one is good.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward, but you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself, but deep down, you hate the self you've been repeating. Approval chasing, old habits, The same self-sabotage.
I'm going to do it again one more time.
In your head.
The
Something must be wrong
settings.
with me. 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it?
Speaker boost.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Numb out. Repeat. Everyone else moves forward. But you're still here. Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Numb out. Repeat. Everyone else moves forward.
Okay.
But you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere.
All right. So this one's generating. This is so funny. All right. Okay, so it's either the one I just downloaded or this one. So just give me a second. Let me zoom back out a little more. That's too close to my face, I think. All right. Okay, so it takes more time. How much? I've already used like 12,000 credits somehow. But it's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's we'll start putting this together. We have the trailer, we have a few trailer musics. All right, let's get camera right. Oops. Do this. Oh. All right. So it's done, right? Did it generate? Or it's still going? I don't understand. Okay, 2 minutes ago.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop?
It's too loud.
Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward, but you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself, but deep down, you hate the self that you've been repeating. Approval chasing old habits.
I don't know. I like the one I just got.
Sabotage. Whispers in your head. Something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken?
The last one was good. Okay, so let's take the one we just downloaded. We're gonna throw that into the timeline actually. There's something to edit to, right? So let's get that. Movies. Oh, that was it. Someone's on the video. Do the newest one here, right? And so this is the script for your video, and I'm gonna put it on a different track. I'm gonna lock this. So this is it.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop?
Great.
Wake up.
All right, and now we're gonna start dropping. I should have generated the video in vertical format, probably. Would have been smart, but here we are with what we did. Right. And we're gonna do. I think this is the. No, this is the soundtrack. I liked actually the first one, right? First one is the second one. I don't know. Let's see.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Numb out. Repeat. Everyone else moves forward. But you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself, but deep down, you hate the self you've been repeating. Approval chasing, old habits, the same self-sabotage. Whispers in your head, something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the wrong script. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is something is not wrong with you. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is something is not wrong with you. Read it before the loop wins.
Wow. Okay. So just the only problem is the beginning, I think. Let me try the. I don't know which music is which, to be honest. Let's see. All right. Can I? So if I go over here to music, so I just have this here, right? And let's see here. I'm just trying to figure out which version that I got. Okay, so this was the first, and variation 1 was this one. Both variation 1, I don't understand. How do I know which one is which? Okay, this one starts out with nothing, which I kind of like. Okay, let's see if we can find that one. So let's go with this. Need this. Wait, what do I have? Let's hit that. All right. Oh wait. I mean to delete. I'm just meant to be. Okay.
Repeat. Everyone else moves forward, but you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to just be yourself, but deep down, you hate the self you've been repeating. Approval chasing, old habits, the same self-sabotage. Whispers in your head, something must be wrong with me. 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling. That thought burns. Is this it? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the... Am I broken for what burns? Is this it? Am I broken? Am I broken forever? No, you're not broken. You've just been running the wrong script. And this book, it gives you the new one. This is something is not wrong with you. Read it before the loop wins.
Okay, let's add some stuff. We should have a free generation in WAN. So let's just actually I have okay. This is the base of the whole thing, and this process is taking way longer than it should. But now that we kind of have the script talking, we have the music going, and we have all the ideas, we're just basically gonna just drag these video clips into here and piece together the narrative. And I'll start doing that. I just need like 2 seconds. So if you're here and you're randomly watching me, that is not it. This is the music video I made using AI, and sort of this process. And to get the storyboard going, I did use openart AI, which I recommend. I think it is the easiest way to get started. So check out openart in the description. In the meantime, just watch this for a second. Okay, that was the music video that I made using openart AI's like instant music video thing. And then I also went and added my own prompts and more stuff to make a more cohesive video out of it. And if you want to do that, check out the link in the description. And in the meantime, we're going to get back to creating a book trailer over here using a combination of all these tools. Let's see what I have in. Apologies for this being so disjointed, but it is. I'm just looking for, trying to see the video that I have already. I think it's just in when dot, is it dot video? Yeah, dot video. I have a few. I have to log in just a second. Let me do that on this screen here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. They have a special deal right now. We get 300 credits a month for $5, which is a steal. Let me drop this back in here. Try to get it to go together. Will it go in here? Okay, whatever. All right, doesn't matter. All right, so we have this. Let me get my free credits because I'm out of credits. Is there anything? Membership auto renewals successful instrument has been successfully processed in advance. Why would it? Why would it process in advance? It's so sketchy. All right, account. Okay, great. All right. Okay, so let's see what we have done so far. We have some frames. Yes, we have this. We have some of these shots already that we can use, which is wonderful. So let's go ahead and start dragging these in. Let's see if I ever got a good alarm clock one. I don't think I did. Why don't we take the first frame of that shot from here, from OpenArt that we got with the alarm clock. Oh, it's a different bedroom, right? This bedroom looks similar. I don't know why I can't get this clock. I just can't get a good shot of it. Okay, I need that window. I need this to go in here. It's easier to do this. You know what? Let's just, fine. We're logged in now, so we can. Okay, I think I have some in this project. There's the clock. There's weird things going on, but I'm going to use this as the first frame. So we'll just do new folder, and I'll do clips here. We'll look at openart 2 and see what we have. We have this one on the phone. Very similar. Okay, so let's drag that clip to resolve. Here we go. And we don't need any of the audio actually from any of these. Well, maybe.
Ever feel like you're
Okay, no music. So we're probably not going to need any of the audio, but I'm just going to mute this.
Wake up. Scroll. Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Numb out.
All right, cool. All right, so let's get the next shot. There's like another scrolling shot, so we can get the one from openart, I think. Yeah, let's get this one. I'll download this. Download. All right. And I think there's like a way. I guess that's what it is. Okay, so we have this scrolling one. I have a really good teeth brushing one from the other thing, but let's go ahead. We're just gonna put all these in order, and then we can just sort of mess with it later, right? Just dragging the stuff in.
Numb out. Repeat. Everyone else moves forward.
Okay, so it doesn't have to be this long.
Numb out. Ever feel like you're
Okay, I kind of want
trapped in the same fucking loop?
So I kind of want this part. I really want to be able to see this silly alarm clock that it took so much time to.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop?
So we're just gonna keyframe this. Here, back to normal. So hopefully that.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Numb out. Repeat. Everyone else.
Okay, so let's cut a little sooner so it's not boring. A little sooner.
In the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll.
Actually, hold on. This bit here.
Wake up. Scroll. Numb out. Repeat.
Okay, this might be too slow. I don't know. I feel like it needs to move like way faster.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll.
Right. I'm gonna cut to something else right here.
Numb out.
The numb out. I think I want the bit with the coffee. We have a few choices for the coffee. We have. I know I finally, I think, got this to generate correctly over here. So let me go over here to generations. Where I'm microwaving the coffee. I love that. Let's edit this a little bit. But at least he puts it in there. Does he close it? Through the coffee. That's funny. One of these works. Over the coffee. Fancy coffee inside. Okay. One of these has the door open. We can use that to open the. We use the beginning of this to open it. Use that. And use this one here to get it out. Okay, so we should have this one.
Numb out.
Okay, so we can actually just go to that first. See, anywhere where there's not a
numb out.
Ooh, I like that. Let's just
numb out.
I want that swinging motion to be 1 frame.
No.
All right.
Numb out.
So
numb out. Numb out.
I want it to be like
numb out.
okay. Since we have more frames.
Numb out. Numb out.
I'm gonna go here. Let's cut there, and then we have the next video that has the actual
Repeat.
glitch.
Everyone else moves forward. Everyone else.
I love that. Actually, this is kind of weird.
Everyone.
Okay, let's use the clip that is correct.
Repeat. Everyone else. Repeat.
Okay, that's pretty close.
Repeat. Repeat. Everyone else moves.
I just, how can I get here faster?
Feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop. Wake up. Scroll. Numb out. Repeat. Numb out.
I don't need to see the reaching. Numb out. Cut.
Repeat.
Let's get to where we're moving here.
Numb out. Repeat. Numb out. Repeat.
So this video is something goofed up here. There we go.
Repeat.
I'm gonna speed this up. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's do 150. All right, now it's twice as fast.
Out. Repeat. Repeat.
Maybe 200.
Everyone.
Okay. 200 change.
Out. Repeat.
That's funny. Puts it back in. Okay. Maybe just one more frame I can chop off here. Skip.
Repeat.
Put it back. Great. I don't have to go all the way to putting it back, just to like almost all the way. And then he can do this little throwing his hands up thing.
Everyone else.
This little.
Everyone else moves forward.
That.
Everyone else moves forward.
This thing.
Repeat. Everyone else moves forward.
Everyone
else moves forward.
There we go. That's great, right? Okay. And so let's get to the next shot. What's the next shot? So we have scrolling, dingy bathroom, cracked mirror, flickering light. Okay, so we need to get the. We forgot the brushing your teeth thing. It was actually before that. So let's see. Let's see which one we like better. Let's see. We have a few of these. Here we have this. That's hilarious. Just have that one here, and then we have another one in this project, I think. Maybe it's a little better. Teeth brushing, yeah. Still drooling everywhere. That's funny. It's pretty funny. There's like way too much toothpaste. That's weird. Okay, so we'll just do the other one, which is also weird, but very similar. But we won't let it zoom all the way in, so we'll just have a little bit. Let's see, we have more. Here's more toothbrushings. Actually, this is vertical. Guess that's it. All right, let's take the one you got here and drag it in. Let's see, we want to put it where we're talking about routine.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up, scroll, numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward. Numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves. Numb out, repeat. Everyone else moves forward.
Too much.
Everyone else moves forward.
Okay, let's try sticking this brushing your teeth thing here, see how this works.
Everyone else moves forward. But you?
Try reversing this clip.
Moves forward. But you're still here. Else moves forward. But you're still here. It feels like a duck.
All right. This is hilarious. I don't know why I'm walking backwards. I say I. It's not really me, but this guy is walking backwards. All right, let's see. I think I have one here. Let's see. It looks a bit different, but at least there's some consistency with the he's got his hair combed at least. And these look identical. Like, how does it know to put the same guys? Okay. Okay. And we'll go back to generate. And we'll also look at openart, see what it did. One of these might be usable. Not terrible, right? Let's do this earlier, maybe. Couldn't do it. Okay, let's just get here. This here. This. Oops. We're at the beginning, right?
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Numb out.
Maybe it's like the first frame.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Ever feel like you're trapped?
Excuse.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop? Wake up. Scroll. Numb out. Repeat. Everyone else moves forward. But you're still here.
All right.
But you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you everywhere. You tell yourself to...
Okay, I think it's a little faster. 50. Why is it? I'm a little worried about the frame rates of all this stuff because I feel like these are 30 frames a second videos. Let me see. Because I don't think I can change my session now. Get info. Let's see. It doesn't. Okay. Anyway, this is what it is, I guess. All right, here we go.
Ever feel like you're trapped in the same fucking loop?
Yeah, I think it's slowing these videos down.
Numb out. Repeat. Everyone else moves forward. But you're still here. It feels like...
Speed this up even more. So I'm not really speeding it up that much. If
moves forward. Everyone else moves forward. But you're still here. It feels like a dark cloud follows you
okay. I think we are approaching the end of whatever this is. Let's see. Did anybody say hi? No. All right. Where is... That's messed up. Okay, so here we go. I could cut between this. I don't hate this video. This is funny. But it's like the dichotomy of two different things. Let me play this one and see what file. Let's tell me about the file. What is this? Let's just see what. Let's say file. Guess it doesn't matter. Okay, so we'll have this guy, and we'll do like transitions between this and that. All right. So I'll finish this up over the next couple of days, and if you want to see the finished version, make sure you're subscribed. We'll catch you tomorrow. Okay.